Bling! Huh?
Hi everyone! Welcome back to Daily Doodles, and today I'm going to show you how to draw some white lilies. So I'm going to start by sketching out some of our lily petals. So the petal shapes, they're kind of like really soft triangles. Instead of pointed edges, sharp edges for the triangles, they're going to be really soft and kind of rounded. So let's start with kind of a rounded line like that. Come on down, and then see, it's not a point, it's rounded. And then I'm coming on up, and then rounding here again, and then closing it off. Okay, so it's kind of like a triangle, but very soft and rounded. So that's one of our lily petals. And I'm going to add some little lines just coming on down this way. And that's going to help it in the end to make it look a little bit more realistic. All right, so now our next petal is going to be kind of, this one's going to kind of overlap it. So we'll start right here and come on out. Like that. And then do our rounded edge and bring it back in. And I'll do some more of these little lines like that. All right, so now I'm going to do one on the other side. Coming on out. Just like that. And some more of those lines coming from in the middle. Okay, so before we continue on with any more of the petals, I'm going to do some of the inside of the lily. So I'm going to do like a little oval shape and then connect it down here with two lines. So it looks a little silly, but that's okay. So I'm going to do another little oval shape and connect it on down with two lines. And I'm going to do just a couple of these, do a few more, and have them all connecting to this one spot here in the middle. And maybe some are behind others. An oval, and come on down. And I'll do one more, coming out this way. Okay, like that. So now I'm going to fill in some of the petals in the back. So be careful that you're not drawing over these little spots here in the middle. Okay, so we're just continuing on with our petals. And making those little lines on the inside. I'm going to do one over here. Like that. A few of those little lines. And I'm going to give one more petal. Like that. A few little lines going to the middle. Okay. So now I'm going to draw the stem coming all the way down. So it's just a straight line. And the other side of it coming on down. And we're going to give it some leaves. So very similar to the petal shapes we were doing. And I'm going to do one up here a little bit. Okay. All right, so if you want to stop right there, you can, but I'm going to add a little lily that's not quite a full lily yet. It's not in bloom yet. So it's just kind of going to look like a little, kind of like a, what kind of shape do we got here? Similar to the petal shape. Okay, so it's just coming up, coming down, coming back down again. And I'm going to do some little lines coming up to the top, just like that. And then give it a little bottom there. And then I'm gonna do two little lines to connect it down. And we're gonna pretend that it's coming down past these two petals. And it's gonna come on down here. So this is a lily that hasn't yet bloomed. And we're gonna give it another one here too. Maybe right here. Yeah. So same kind of shape. Make this one a little bit bigger maybe. And the little lines. And then the stem of that is in behind this leaf. Okay. And let's see, I'm gonna give it another leaf all the way down here. So I'm gonna start coloring now, but because this is a white lily and I really want it to pop on the page, so I'm gonna color in the background. I'm also going to add in some grays just to add a bit of shading. Okay, so if you want to do that, you can. If you don't want to color in the background, that's totally fine. But we'll probably speed it up here now while I'm coloring. All right, so there we have it. We are done our picture of our white lily. So I hope you had fun drawing. I hope you have a really, really good day. And I hope to see you back here next time for the next Daily Doodle. All right, bye everybody.